we identify possible female candidates before announcing a position. So that's a way to ensure that there will be female applicants. And then when the candidate considered as second best is a woman and the first is a man, which is sometimes the case, then especially with very male-dominated disciplines, we have on several occasions appointed 2 candidates instead of 1, thus getting also a woman, which has turned out to be really successful. And also now we are right now having a pilot with observers following closely the hiring processes, not least from a gender perspective. And the idea is that they should be able to reveal unconscious biases and also to have a dialogue with our appointment committees. But last, but really not least, I think the most important thing is that with open and transparent processes, with clear criteria, women are often they get better evaluations. For example, we have assistant professorships with perhaps a less percentage of female applicants, but they often come out much better. They are much more successful when there are clear criteria and these open and transparent processes. So I think that is really a key to gender equality and to quality.
The Norwegian University of Science and Technology, has a main profile in technology and natural sciences, and these are areas that are traditionally very male-dominated. So we have actually for many years worked very systematically to increase the number of both female academic staff, but also recruiting students, female students for our technological studies. In announcement for positions, we have special announcement. We have search committees that we established, looking especially for female researchers for our open positions. And we also have different kinds of mentoring programs for our female professor who wants to go further for professorships. We have a special program called EDUN, from PhD to professor, which actually are mentoring and helping making career plans for our female researchers. And we also support our staff with starting grant, qualification, scholarships, and so on, in order to really help them to focus on their research activities and to also have less administrative burden in their positions.
The University of Murcia, for example, has recently published the second Gender Equality Plan, which includes numerous measures aimed at promoting and giving visibility to women in research. We are adopting measures to reconcile personal, work, and family life, such as flexible working hours and part-time teleworking. The University of Murcia has also a childcare center for members of the university community. And in that sense, during the last 3 years, the university has been working to align our teaching and research activities with the SDGs in a project called Obsesiones in Spanish.